Hello. Airport pickup for Lisa?
Yes, that's me.
Welcome to London. Let me help you with your luggage.
Thank you so much.
First time in London?
Yes. And honestly, I'm a little nervous.
That's normal. Most students feel the same on their first day.
Really?
Of course, but after a few weeks, this city starts feeling like home.
Everything looks so different here.
Different good or different scary?
Maybe both.
Fair answer.
The roads feel so calm here.
Wait until Monday morning traffic. Then you'll change your opinion.
How long have you lived in London?
Almost 20 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
And still, every winter I complain about the weather.
I already feel cold.
This is not even real cold yet.
Please don't scare me on my first day.
So, what are you studying?
Business management.
Good choice. London has students from everywhere.
It feels strange.
What does?
Yesterday, I was in India. Today, I'm here.
Life changes quietly sometimes.
This feels like a movie.
Give it a week. Soon you'll be running for buses too. We're almost there.
Thank you for talking with me. I was feeling nervous before.
That's what taxi drivers are for. Half driving, half emotional support.
You're very kind.
Welcome to your new life, Lisa.
Ah, you must be Lisa.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.
Welcome, welcome. Come inside. Long journey?
Very long, but exciting too.
That's good. Excitement is important in a new country. I'm Mr. Thomas, but you can call me Thomas if you like.
Thank you, sir.
Let me show you the apartment.
Okay.
This is the living room. Kitchen is there. Bathroom is shared.
The apartment looks very nice.
Thank you. We try to keep it peaceful for students.
That's perfect for me.
Here are your keys. One for the main door, one for your room.
Thank you.
Please don't lose them. London locks are more expensive than London coffee.
I'll be careful.
Your monthly rent includes internet and heating.
Oh, that's good.
Especially heating. You'll thank me during winter.
I already believe you.
Deposit has already been received. Everything is complete.
Perfect.
Kitchen rules are simple. Clean after cooking and no loud music after midnight.
Don't worry. I'm very quiet.
Good. Then you'll survive here happily.
Thank you for being so kind.
Students away from home need kindness sometimes.
That's true.
Ah, yes, and one more thing.
Yes?
Never trust British weather forecasts.
I'll remember that.
Hi, you must be the new roommate?
Oh, hi. Yes, I'm Lisa.
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Long flight?
Very long. I think my body still thinks it's in India.
Don't worry, mine still thinks it's Friday.
Your room is next to mine. Okay?
If you need anything, just ask me.
Thank you. That makes me feel less nervous.
First time living abroad?
Yes.
Then first rule,
What is it?
never fight with Google Maps. It always wins.
I already got confused at the airport.
That's completely normal.
You're very friendly.
Thank you. You seem sweet too. Have you eaten anything?
Not really.
Then we're going grocery shopping.
Right now?
Yes. Otherwise, tomorrow morning you'll be eating biscuits for breakfast.
Okay, let's go.
Do you need a basket or a trolley?
I think basket is enough.
Lisa, after looking your shopping list, it feels like this is not a basket list. This is survival preparation.
I don't know what to buy here.
Don't worry, we'll figure it out together.
Is this normal milk?
Yes?
Why are there so many types?
Welcome to British supermarkets, where buying milk becomes life decision.
I already miss Indian grocery shops.
Trust me, after 2 months you'll become professional here.
I hope so. Sorry, what is wholemeal?
Brown bread.
Why don't they just write brown bread then?
British people enjoy confusing everyone.
You alright?
Sorry?
You alright?
Why, you are asking about my health.
It means hello.
Oh,
First week in London?
is it that obvious?
Just a little bit. Card or cash?
A card, please.
Just tap here. Payment declined.
Oh no.
Relax, happens to everyone. Try once more. Payment successful.
Thank God, finally.
Congratulations, you officially survived your first British payment machine.
Today has been full of achievements.
Hello, beta. Mom, did you reach safely?
Yes, I reached safely.
How was the journey?
Long, tiring, emotional, but good.
Did you eat properly?
Mom, I just landed in another country and you're asking about food first.
That means I'm still your mother. How is the apartment?
It's nice. My landlord is very kind and my roommate is really sweet too.
That's good. I was worried about you.
I was worried too.
Are you crying?
No. Lisa? Everything feels so different here, Mom.
New beginnings always feel strange at first.
I know, but today suddenly felt very real.
You wanted this dream for many years.
Yes,
Then live it fully. And remember, you are stronger than you think.
I miss home already.
Home will always wait for you. But right now, your future is waiting too.
Mom, sometimes you sound wiser than motivational speakers on YouTube.
That wisdom is free. No subscription needed. Now sleep properly. You had a long day.
Okay.
And beta, we are proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
Good night.
Good night. New country, new people, new streets, new memories waiting to happen. Maybe new struggles too. Maybe homesick nights, maybe awkward conversations, and many confusing moments. But maybe that's how every beautiful journey begins. Not with confidence, but with courage. Okay, London, day 1 survived. And somehow, it already feels like the beginning of a whole new life. Thank you for traveling with me today. If you enjoyed this journey and want more real-life English conversations, more emotional stories, and more everyday spoken English practice, please like, share, and subscribe to RFQ English Lab. And don't forget to press the bell icon so we can learn English together, one beautiful conversation at a time. Bye-bye. See you in the next journey.